Just press down. Ready to go.
Okay. You wanna talk about it?
Oh, I thought you wanted to do voiceover on it. That's.
Well, we're recording now.
I was like,
I was
okay,
waiting
I'll just
for
put
you.
it on. I was so focused on not hurting myself.
Well, that's important.
So to safely put on a feather blade, you want to grab it by the blunt end, keeping in mind that one end is very sharp. Put it face down on your board, and take your feather blade. You can see that there's a hole in the feather blade holder, and that's where you're going to slide your blade into. Then a little screw, which will hold your blade in place as you gross. Make sure that the blade is secure prior to grossing. So to take off the feather blade, now we can use the bonus.
Sure.
Undo the screw. And then I like to use my forceps to put into the hole and pull it out. If it's not loose, you keep going on the screw until it is safely out. And dispose it into the sharps.